Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Amanda and today I am here with a get ready with me tutorial. Today is MK's birthday. In case you're hearing music in the background, that's what is happening downstairs. I already have a few guests, but I still look a bit rusty, so we're going to get ready. Anyway, in case you're new, make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so each time I upload a video you get notified. This is going to be a very quick, fast makeup look. No lashes because I don't have time, and yeah, let's get right on into the video. So I'm gonna just okay, I'm going to start with my eyebrows. I'm going to try to be as quick as possible. Eye pencil I'm using is from Davis. It's called Davis eye pencil. I bought it when I was in Nigeria, so in case you see me looking sideways, I'm looking at my mirror, so I think I should get one to keep in front of me. So yeah, there you go. In case you see me looking down, I'm just looking at my mirror, so okay. By the way, my face is already clean, washed, prepped. If you can't tell, it's a bit oily because of my skincare routine. So yeah, I'm happy with the way my brows are looking. Next, I'm going to go in with my concealer palette. Right here is the Sephora concealer palette, and I'm just going to clean my brows up. The usual. You've seen me do my makeup like a million times now, so I think I will stop talking and just speed through it. I'll let you watch, but I'll always tell you which product I'm going to use right before I start using it. So you know what my policy is? My policy is, if you gotta do your makeup real fast, take your time in your brows. Like, at least give your brows like 5 minutes, because to me I feel like the brows tie the whole look together. My personal preference for no makeup look is literally brows done and nothing else. If you had to ask me to pick one thing to do on my face, it would be definitely eyebrows. That is if I'm to pick one particular type of makeup over the other and not do any other thing, it would be brows. Like, I would do my brows like this and go, but it doesn't look good. But you know, I mean, if you're asked to just pick one, is what I'm saying. Okay, I think my brows are all set. Now I'm going to quickly go in with my foundation from NARS. Where are you, foundation? Let's see if I can find it. Oh yeah, found you. I'm going to go in with my primer. I usually use this primer. Okay. Now.
counting down the days, but we were so close.
I'm in a hurry, I usually like to do my foundation first because it kind of preps my eye a little bit. I don't usually use a lot of concealer on my eye when I'm rushing, but at least this way there's something to hold my eyeshadow on. MK is 4, so we are holding a little bit of a get together for him and his friends and their family. That is what today is about. Now onto my eyeshadow, real fast, real quick, something neutral, simple, because I want to go with the red lips. So I want to go with a red lip, so I'm just gonna. By the way, I'm using the same palette by Patricia Bright. I can't help when a palette is good, like to keep going back to it. So, and if you're wondering what color I'm applying right now, it's this shade right here. This light one. Then next I'll go in with the dark shade right beside it. Deepen my crease a bit. Okay, same brush because I'm rushing, and to be honest, I can work with one brush only. I think I should do that challenge. One brush makeup challenge. You see, I'm just packing it at the outer part and then blending it in. So this is what I have right here. Like I said, I'm in a hurry. I'm not doing anything crazy, so I'll just go with like a shimmery or maybe red. I don't know. I'm confused now. Yeah. So the shine in this eyeshadow is from the brush. The brush I used it with to do my eyeshadow look yesterday, and I didn't clean it. So. But like I said, I'm in a hurry, I don't have time, so I'm going to work with what I have, and I know how to blend it out so that it will look good. Now I said I was going to go with the neutral eyes, but now I'm doing red, so I have to go with the neutral lips. Oh, confusion. And then I'll go back to that big form to pack it on the outer corner. I think it's not even deep enough for me for what I want. That I want. If I make this yours and you make it mine, well then we'll see. With golden eyes, so hard to find. There on your own. There we go. I'm done with my eyes. Next, do my eyeliner because I'm not doing lashes, so I'm going to do like a wing eye look. keep rushing and I keep messing up my eyeliner.
In the dirt, wishing tables would turn. Pray for life without pain.
I think this one is good.
Without word, just stretching for things that are put out of reach. What's the last thing that you think about before you fall asleep? The truth is hard to find, but mostly 'cause we lie. Versions of ourselves that we cannot define. Moving backwards or reverse, we side to side. We run in circles up and down between the lines.
Okay. Now. Okay, now I'm going to just highlight my face a little bit with concealer. I don't want too much because I'm rushing, so I just want to
There's a thick white blanket
just a little bit.
all of this time.
Then I didn't wait for it to dry down because I want it to be moving towards the direction I want it to be.
By the table, I keep wanting to sit, for you're not here. What can I do? It's another Christmas time without you. I wanna hold
Okay.
you so close.
Powder.
Never,
My
ever
powder.
We'll go walking, play around in the snow.
I think I found it. Yep, I found it. I look like a
Watch the
monster.
sun go down.
Oh, I didn't find it though, but I'm gonna manage this one. This is another powder.
We'll eat mince pies and drink red wine and beer. Then we'll cuddle
I usually like to go in with my Sasha Buttercup, but this is a different powder altogether. I would make it work, to be honest, because right now I'm rushing and I do not have time to start looking for
spend
it.
Christmas time with you. Christmas time with you. I want
Okay.
Christmas time with you. I ask Father Christmas
Hey.
now for just one little thing. It's something only angels can bring. To see you walk on in
This is
here
that same
now,
powder.
through
Yeah,
that creaky
good thing.
door.
It's blending quite
I
easily, so
couldn't want for.
each time I look at myself in the camera I look like white, but when I look at myself in the mirror I'm not that white, so I think it's my light that is overly exposing this video. Let me just adjust my light a bit. Let's see if it's a lot better.
Oh baby,
Still very bright.
Christmas time.
Okay. Yeah, I think it's better now. Oh, I feel a lot better now.
Christmas time.
Okay, so
I want
I'm going
Christmas
to bronze
time
my
with you.
face. I'm not going to contour. I'm not going to use my contour to be honest.
Should be
No time.
with
I'm using this bronzer.
Not say a word and I know what you just decided. We'd be right in the same wave. Oh, the water's perfect, babe. The heat is rising, the time is melting from my fingertips. So nothing compares to this. Nothing ever will compare to this. You and I making fire, I can take ya. I can make it better, baby.
That is a lot of blush, but to be honest, he's blending out quite fine.
You and I making fire, I can take ya. I can make it better, baby. Running away every day, feeling the
Dressing on. Please don't touch anything in here, okay? Stop shouting.
vacation now. Been feeling selfish, I never want you to share it with me. Right room.
Move back up. Come here, Paul, Diego.
Running away every day, feeling the same in a different way. What you think of it, baby? Oh, you and I making fire, I can take ya. I can make it better, baby. Running away every day, feeling the same in a different way. Oh, I never had a love so fine. You mix it up with sugar and honey and spice.
Hi guys, so this is the finished look and what do you guys think? I hope you guys liked it. I hope this video will be helpful for you people. Since this is a full get ready with me, let me quickly zoom out so you can see my fit for today. This is what I have on. Both the pants and the top was gotten from H&M. Yeah, zoom back out. Okay, so let me go downstairs and enjoy my child's birthday party. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so each time I upload a video. Do not forget to binge watch all the videos that will be linked here, and I have a makeup tutorial playlist if you want to see different looks that I've already put together before. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.